Hey everyone, welcome back to Yes Foodies. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel Yes Foodies and press the bell icon to get notified. Do check the description box for the previous videos links. So today I'm making a one-pot recipe which is chicken khichdi. So starting of the recipe, I have soaked half a cup each of masoor dal and rice. This is the red lentil which we call masoor dal and rice for an hour. This is the lentil which I have used, which is the masoor dal, and this is the rice which I have used. This is the thick grain rice. You can use any other rice also if you like. I am just using the regular rice which I eat daily. So let's start with the recipe. I'm going to make the whole recipe in a cooker only. I've added 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Next I'm going to add 2 bay leaves, little half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, little bit of cinnamon stick, and 2 red chilies, and I'm going to cook this for about 30 seconds till it releases its aroma. Next I'm going to add 2 medium sized onions which I've finely chopped, and cook the onion till they are soft, which is going to take about 30 seconds to a minute. After the onions has turned softer, now I'm going to go ahead and add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook this for about 30 seconds so that the raw smell goes off. After the ginger garlic paste is cooked, next I'm going to go ahead and add vegetable, which is this is carrot and parval or pointed gourd. I was having only these two vegetables lying at home, so I had used these two. If you guys like any other vegetable, go ahead and add it, excluding cabbage, because it's going to release too much of water and everything is going to be way too mushy. If you guys do not like vegetables, skip that totally and add the chicken directly. So I've added the vegetables and cooked it for about a minute. Next I'm going to add the chicken. This is boneless chicken which I have cut into smaller cubes. I'm going to give it a quick stir and let this cook for about a minute. Next I'm going to add the spices. I'm using half a teaspoon each of all the spices. At first is turmeric powder, next is chili powder, then coriander powder, and then cumin powder. And last but not the least, salt according to the taste. I'm going to give it a quick stir and cover it for about a minute and let this cook. Also, I'm cooking this everything. The cooking process is going on the lowest flame. Do not cook this in a high flame, otherwise the spices are going to burn since I have used very little oil. So make sure you cook this into a low flame. Look, the vegetables are looking little cooked. So next I'm going to add the soaked rice and the dal. It is mandatory you soak this because then the dal and the rice cooks faster. Otherwise you have to put lot of water and then whistle it for 5 to 6 times. It doesn't really get that consistency, so it's better you soak the rice and the dal together. Next I'm going to give it a quick stir and then I'm going to add water. I have taken about half a cup of each of rice and dal, which makes 1 cup, so I'm using 2.5 cups of water. And at last I'm going to put some garam masala powder and let it whistle for about 3 to 4 whistles. This is the garam masala powder, and I'm going to stick the lid on and let that whistle. Also let me know in the comments below if you like or if you want such one pot recipes, because I love these one pot recipes because I love cooking these are faster and easier to make. So let me know in the comments below. Also I have put the flame on a medium and let this whistle. Now keeping the flame on a medium, let it whistle for 3 to 4 whistles, and after the whistles are done, leave it as it is until the pressure cooker releases its pressure automatically, and then serve it. and our yummy khichdi is done. This is really healthy and very filling and very tasty. Definitely try this at home and let me know in the comments below, and also let me know if you want such videos. And what can be better than hot khichdi on a monsoon season? So enjoy. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.